Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to basically customize the theme on Google Forms. So first of all you will open up your Google browser and then you will search for Google Forms, and then you will open up the first link and basically click on go to forms. Now make sure that you are signed in with your Gmail account here. So click on this blank page and this will open up a new Google form for us. Okay, so how you can basically now change the theme. Okay, so let me just tell you that how you can change the theme. So from basically here at this option here, you can see we have this customize theme option. So click on it. So we have like multiple different options here. We have text style, okay, questions, or we can basically change the font of the questions from here. Okay, you can see that we have like multiple fonts here. We can change the size, we can change the text font here, and for our at the top we can choose an image, and we can also choose the background color as well. So mostly we can like do this with the theme in Google Forms. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.